Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a SMART HJC 20B wireless motorcycle helmet headset and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If the headset will not connect to Bluetooth or won't connect to sync with your device or keeps disconnecting or you're having any sound issues, this hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now this is not a factory default reset. This will not erase your configurations or your settings or any of your connections. It will basically just force power cycle your headset to clear out any faults that you have. Now, it's not marked on here, but it's pretty easy to do if you want to do it. All you need is like a paper clip or a pin. Just make sure it's not too sharp that it damages something. And you're going to come down on the transmitter receiver portion of the headset, which mounts to the back bottom of your helmet. And you'll see there's this little hole here. So this is the fault reset button. So all you need to do to reset the faults is to put a paper clip in here and push and hold this down for about 1 second, then release it, and that will hard reset any faults on the intercom.